Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix CapCut lag. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and go to the project that's lagging. If the lag happens near the end of the video, try removing the CapCut watermark and cutting off the last half second or full second of the clip. In many cases, this simple step fixes the problem, as the watermark or ending frames can cause performance issues. Next, make sure your CapCut app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. New updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements, and running an outdated version of CapCut can cause lag while editing. Another common cause of lag is using too many video effects. If your project has a lot of effects applied, try removing some of them. After that, export the video and save it to your gallery. Then create a new project, import the exported video, and re-add the effects you removed. This process can reduce lag and help CapCut run more smoothly. If none of these fixes work, the final option is to offload and reinstall the app. Open your phone's settings, go to the General section, then go to iPhone Storage and find CapCut in the app list. Before doing this, make sure your projects are backed up, as reinstalling the app may delete them. Tap on Offload App, wait a few seconds, then tap on Reinstall App. This removes unnecessary data and cache files that may be causing the lag. Try all of these solutions and see which one works for you. And that's it. So that is how you can fix CapCut lag. So that's all for this video. Thanks.